Bluelab's Pro Controller Connect with Peripods is a complete nutrient dosing system for growers of all sizes. The Pro Controller is designed with the grower in mind. It performs monitoring along with auto-dosing once paired with Bluelab Peripods. Peripods are a set of peristaltic pumps. Choose from a set of M3 or M4 pumps. These small but mighty pumps can dose 120 milliliters per minute per pump and can be calibrated to the viscosity of your nutrients to ensure accuracy. The L3 works individually and doses 1200 milliliters per minute. You can choose the number of pods that are right for you, up to 3 pods. The amount of peripods needed is based on how many nutrient parts you use and one pump designated for pH. Customize your system to your exact needs. Growers can set a required EC, temperature, and pH level, and when the actual reading is different than required, it will automatically dose your nutrients or pH adjuster. Simple. Growers worry no more. With the plant-safe display screen, alarm settings, and safety system that will shut down dosing when in an alarm state and will notify you immediately. View alarms and Pro Controller activity 24/7 on the controller's screen, laptop, or on your phone via Connect software in the Bluelab cloud. The Pro Controller and Peripods work in a recirculating system or drain-to-waste systems. With the addition of an irrigation system, you can dose from the mixing chamber, reservoir, or stock tank. The Pro Controller sends the signal wirelessly from Pro Controller to your laptop or computer via the USB Connect stick that is included. It also has a data logging feature. Setting up the Pro Controller and Peripods is as simple as mounting your units on a board or plywood with your nutrients under the Peripods. Arrange the inlet and outlet dosing tubes to the desired lengths. Included with the Bluelab Pro Controller is an external dosing lockout cable which can be used with a float valve and to lock out nutrient dosing. The M3 or M4 can be daisy-chained together so you can design your system the way you need it. Make it easy on yourself and dose CalMag and Silicas too by diluting them with RO water 50/50 and double the dose amount. Once they are diluted, you don't have to worry about precipitation. Add Bluelab PowerPod to control heater or water chillers, sample pot to keep your probes safe, alarm box option to attach a light or bell alarm to make connections a closed loop. All items sold separately for easy customization. Excellent step-by-step instructions included. Keep them handy during installation. Growers, you can choose what works best for you with the Connect software. Choose Fahrenheit or Celsius, EC, ppm 500 or ppm 700, milliliters to gallons or milliliters to liters. You will then set the on time for dosing, which is the time the pump runs, and the off time, which is how long you think it will take to mix. Then it will read again and dose again if necessary. Helpful tips included for setting on times. Setup is easy on a laptop or computer. Enter feed schedule for each week and save as week 1, week 2, and so on. You can use your own secret recipe or take it directly from the nutrients feed schedule. Are you wondering how we get the dose amount correct? As you add the required nutrients per your recipe on the feed schedule, our program will calculate the percentage of each nutrient part. When the pumps are triggered to dose, each pump will dose the appropriate percentage of each nutrient every time they run. If you would like to speak to a member of our Bluelab Pro team, visit bluelab.com or email support@bluelab.com.